Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a margin account on Webull. First, it's crucial to understand what a margin account entails. Essentially, it allows you to borrow funds from Webull to purchase securities, potentially amplifying your returns. However, it also increases your risk. We'll walk through the step-by-step process, covering eligibility, application, and important considerations to help you get started safely. To qualify for a margin account on Webull, you need to meet specific criteria. Your account must maintain a minimum balance of $2,000. Additionally, you must be at least 21 years old to apply for margin trading privileges. Webull also requires you to complete and submit a margin agreement form, which outlines the terms and conditions of borrowing funds for trading.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Quick recommendation, just like you wouldn't trade on margin without understanding the risks, don't settle for cheap socks. Life's too short for uncomfortable feet. Go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Applying for a margin account on Webull is straightforward. Open your Webull app and tap on the More menu icon. From there, select Trading Privileges and then choose Margin Trading. You will then be prompted to fill out an application form. Carefully review all the information, acknowledge the risks, and submit your application for Webull's review. Approval typically takes a few business days. While margin trading offers potential benefits, it also carries substantial risks. It's vital to understand that you can lose more money than your initial deposit. Be prepared for margin calls, which occur when your account value falls below a certain threshold, requiring you to deposit more funds or face forced liquidation of your positions. Always trade responsibly and within your risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.